2013 GMC Yukon XL Denali all-wheel drive. Here's an extremely sharp, loaded up, black on black Denali in exceptional shape. Just an extremely beautiful vehicle, sitting on the 22-inch chrome Denali wheels. Every option. It just is an extremely good looking vehicle. It's gloss black, so it just sets out and looks extremely sharp, extremely classy, and just a really great vehicle to get everybody into and move down the road. Has 142,000 miles, 3-owner AutoCheck history, very nice condition, runs and drives great. Just a super nice vehicle. Gonna do a quick video walk around here just to give you an idea of what exactly the true condition of this vehicle is. Try to point out any of the blemishes I can, pick it apart as best I can, just to go into depth on this particular one and show you what it really is. Like I said, it is a 2013 XL Denali, and of course it is all-wheel drive. Starting a walk around here, looking at the front, it's in great shape. No major rock chips. Here on the lip, it's all good. Got the fans running, so it's a little bit loud, but front end's in good shape. Looking down here on the passenger side, just very straight vehicle all the way around. No major dents or scratches. Just very clean. You know, being black, it'll show the scratches, so there just isn't anything obvious on this vehicle. One little scuff right here, but it's not to the paint, so you're okay. One scratch right here, but it's not too big either. So hood's in nice shape, no hail, very straight on that. Looking down the driver's side, it's very clean as well. Couple of watermarks here or there. One very small, about inch long scratch right there, but it's just a scuff. It's not to the paint, so you're okay. One scuff right here. It would probably buff out. Just very clean all the way around. One little scuff right here. Once again, not to the paint though, so it's good to go. Looking at the back end, it's good to go. So just a very clean black vehicle, extremely sharp and just super nice. Like I said, it is sitting on the 22-inch GMC Denali chrome wheels. Just really set the look of these vehicles. Just make them look fantastic. Sitting on newer Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires, so you're good to go with that. Don't have to worry about tires. They're probably 90% or better. Just super nice all the way around. So that's always nice to see when you have those big wheels and you're sitting on new tires. You know you're good to go for a while. So jumping on the inside here, it's very clean as well. Doesn't show any obvious wear or soiling or anything like that. These front seats are heated and cooled, so that's a great feature. With having a black interior, people complain that it gets hot, but with cooled seats it just kind of eliminates that objection. So a little bit of creasing here, but not bad. The camera kind of makes it look worse. Of course, automatic headlights, factory trailer brake controller, all power locks, windows, mirrors, of course, power fold-in mirrors. So all steering wheel controls, Bluetooth hands-free to talk on your phone. Heated steering wheel, a super great feature. 142, like I said, on the miles, so about average for being 7 years old here already, but low for these vehicles. They just go a lot of miles. You know, it's hard to find them anymore with less than about 120 or 130,000 miles. So this is about what you see them out there with, and by condition you can tell most likely it was probably highway mileage. Just people got in and drove it down the road. So turn down this air conditioning here real quick. Do a quick key cycle. This has that 6.2 Vortec V8, 403 horsepower engine, extremely stout, moves these big vehicles right down the road. Just a super, super nice engine. Definitely worth the upgrade to get to Denali with that extra horsepower. It just really is a great engine. Does have navigation, so that's nice as well. Full-size backup camera, AM, FM, CD, AUX, and USB input radio, all coming through this fantastic Bose sound system. Dual automatic climate control with rear air as well. Full sunroof. So, this does have power running boards, kind of a rare thing for Denali. It is a great feature. It comes out when you need it, and they just tuck back away when you don't. So super convenient feature. This does have the mid-bench 60/40 split bench seat. That's nice because then you've got max seating all the time. I always say it's better to get the extra seat, because then you know you're always going to be able to max out the most space in a vehicle in one of these. To get to the back, these are power fold away, so you can just pop these up and away, and you're good to go to get in and out. So jumping to the cargo area, this is a power liftgate, of course. You can split it and have just the glass open as well. The carpet back here is extremely clean and great shape. Plenty of cargo space to put all your stuff in and still haul everybody along for the trip. So, looking on the passenger rear seat, it's in nice shape. Just no major wear anywhere. Just really looks great. Of course, the power running board on this side is in good shape. And looking at the passenger seat, once again, heated and cooled perforated leather. No major creasing. A little bit of, I guess those are just watermarks, they just wipe off. A little bit of creasing, but not much. Once again, the camera just always kind of explodes what they look like. Dash is in good shape, no cracks. That's a common thing on these, and it's in good shape. So I'll go ahead and pop the hood and let you listen to that. Let me click the air conditioning off so it's not quite so loud. So this runs super smooth, very good engine, just really a great vehicle. This does have blind spot monitoring as well as turn signal mirror, so that's a nice safety feature for this big of a vehicle. When somebody comes up next to you, it does alert you to where you don't merge into them. So if this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Brad and Miles Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're just a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years, and we actually currently have 4 other Suburbans on hand. So we absolutely love these vehicles. Whenever we can get them in, we do, because there's just not a lot on the market when you need to move 7 or 8 people and all the stuff and tow a boat to the lake. So this just kind of does it all, and it does it so well. They drive so nice, and they're just excellent vehicles. So if this particular one isn't completely of interest, feel free to get in contact with us and see what else we have or what we might have coming in, because we always trying to have a few options in this category, and we just love them because we know they're such good vehicles. So thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you in whatever way we can.